Colorado and Indiana have opened up their first drive-through novel coronavirus testing facilities that's completely free for the public in the latest bid to combat the spread of the disease.
Colorado Gov. Jared Polis announced Tuesday that the state's first facility would open in Denver, with the hope of opening more centers soon.
The first facility in the Lowry neighborhood of Denver opened at 10 a.m. and by 11 there were already several dozens of cars in line.
Meanwhile, healthcare workers were seen testing patients in Mishawaka, Indiana.
The World Health Organization declared the global coronavirus outbreak a pandemic on Wednesday. In the U.S., there are over 1,000 reported cases of coronavirus and 37 deaths as of Wednesday evening.
While the drive-up testing facility is free, patients need a written or electronic note from a doctor or healthcare provider in order for state health officials to perform the test.
The facility will run from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. through Friday and patients must bring a photo ID with them along with the doctor's note.
The state is hoping to expand the criteria for testing to include anyone with flu-like symptoms.
At the moment, prospective patients must have a fever or symptoms of a lower respiratory illness. They also must have had contact with someone confirmed to have the virus within 14 days of the onset of symptoms.
The testing is free and no proof of insurance is required.
However, patients face long wait times and officials are advising people to stock up on water and other items for comfort as they wait.
Gov. Polis said Tuesday that the state had 900 tests and was expecting an additional 1,500 tests by the end of the week from the federal government.
This will get worse before it gets better, he said at a news conference Wednesday evening.
It appears the virus will be disproportionately hitting our resort and mountain communities first. It doesn't mean it will hit our resort and mountain communities exclusively, he added.
After taking the test, patients are told to isolate themselves at home until they get their results.
Anyone who gets a positive result is ordered to quarantine themselves.
Reporter Joshua Potash shared aerial video of the Denver testing facility showing a long line of cars packing into a parking lot for the opportunity to get tested.
As of Wednesday afternoon, there are 33 cases of coronavirus in Colorado.
Indiana is also conducting the drive-through testing service.
Indiana reported its first case of the virus last Friday in Marion County. As of Wednesday afternoon, there are 11 cases of coronavirus in the state.
Indiana will be getting $10.3 million in funding to help its response efforts to COVID-19, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services announced Wednesday, as a part of the $8.3 billion measure Donald Trump signed on Friday.
On Wednesday, healthcare workers were seen testing patient at a drive-through site set up outside the South Bend Clinic Day Rod Immediate Care Center in Mishawaka.